Okay, so today we're going to examine two examples of GIF animation for your promo video. That's Meeting Lizard and VANBuddy.ie. We've taken their logos and we're just making a new promotion for them. Using ControlNet 1.1, you can also use our Google CoLab link that we've given you. Then we're going to take them into easygif.com to make an easy GIF animation from those images. Okay, and here you can see the Meeting Lizard GIF, looks really nice. And here's the VANBuddy GIF that looks pretty good too. Okay, and welcome to Hugging Face. We've just logged in at huggingface.co and we're going to use ControlNet 1.1 today. This is the user interface that we will use, and you can see that it's pretty straightforward. But what we've done is we've also got welcome to the CoLab research.google.com. So if you're a member of CoLab Research, you can actually use our link that we've given you to put in as well. So I'm just going to paste the link straight in here. And what we do is we go straight into our Jupyter notebook. And you can see here, basically all we do is we just say run all, and basically we're off, just say run anyway, and off we go. And then basically what's happening here is that our CoLab Center will recreate the ControlNet 1.1 version, and we'll be able to use that on our own server, or on the Google servers, and it will be very much quicker than ControlNet 1.1. But what we'll do here is I'll just show you quickly is what you do is you just simply drop your image in here. You have to be on line art first of all, so we select line art, then let's just get our image and we're just going to drop the image straight in here. Here we go, that's our VANBuddy image, and we'll just give it a prompt, drone view of a lovely countryside, and run it. And you can see straight away, yep, we got an error. So straight away application is too busy, keep trying. Well, this happens all the time, and that's why we put it into CoLab. So by all means, go to ControlNet and try and use it there. And if you're not used to CoLab Research, google.com, then obviously I'll show you in a later video how to do that. But look, here it is, we're loading up now and we're nearly ready to go. Right, here we go. So you can see that the ControlNet version 1.1, we've replicated the interface. So now we've got exactly what we want here. So all we can do is let's just shift that up a little bit, make it a bit more spaced out. And what we can do simply here is the same thing again. We just bring in our image and we'll run this here in CoLab Research. So we're just going to run this here in CoLab. So here we go. Let's put our prompt in. We're just going to do a drone view of a lovely countryside, and we'll pop in the VANBuddy and we're going to run it straight away. Here we go. Now usually this takes between 1 and 30 seconds to construct. The image from VANBuddy is a little bit more complex. The simple logos are the better ones. And in ControlNet, of course, you can use the same thing there. But what we're going to do is, as I mentioned before, we're going to run it here in ControlNet. So let's have a look at what that's coming out like. Right, you can see the wireframe on the left, and then we've got our nice, lovely countryside on the right, and that looks really cool. So basically you see that looks really good. Look, all of the lines is really good, and it just really works very well indeed. So, okay, and you can see the wireframe version, that's what everything is based on, and then simply it just constructs the image view there. So let's open that in a new tab and have a quick look at it. Okay, perfect, and let's save that image as country. I'm just going to save that into the VANBuddy, and we're just going to collect all of our images now. So let's go back to our notebook and let's put in the drone view of a beautiful island in the sea. So we're going to run a few of these now. Okay, that looks pretty cool too. I like that. Very cool indeed. Lovely colors. So let's save that image again. Let's go to another one now. Aerial view of a beach with turquoise waters. Let's try that one out. It's going to be quite similar to the last, I think, but let's open that in a new tab. Looks fantastic, and we're going to save that as well. Great. Let's do the aerial view of a beach. Okay, great. So let's go for the next one, and we're going to do the rainforest canopy. So that looks great as well. Put that in now. Have a quick look at that. Looking good. Yep, we'll use that too. And all these images we're just going to string together into a video. Will look really good. So let's save that as well as the rainforest canopy. Off we go. And straight into our next image, and we're going to do a snow-covered mountain. Let's open that in a new tab. Looks really good, like that too. You just get some really great images here as well. Some of them are a bit odd, but this one, I love it as well. So there we go. So we're going to save that one as well. And we're collecting our images together. We've got another one now, a university campus. Look at that. You've got some sports fields, some buildings. It just looks really good. I love that. So here we go. We'll just save that one as well. And we're slowly building these up, as I said before. And we've got quite a few now. We just need a couple more. Here we go. We're just going to use this one. This is our beach version with a little bit of water in there as well. I like that. It looks quite nice. Looks a bit like a biscuit actually. So let's save that one. Put that as the desert and the sea. And then we've got a nice version of night view and a city lights. That looks pretty spacey. Let's take that one too, and we'll save that one. Okay, nighttime, there we go. And right, we've got all those now. So let's go to easygif.com, just agree on those now. And let's go straight into our GIF maker. You can see the page here. Okay, GIF maker, and we're going to choose our images. So let's grab those, open them all up. Let's just select all of those images. There we go. You can see all the different images there. That's great. So let's just grab all of those and open them up. So here we go. We'll upload and make a GIF. Okay, so now there's all of our GIF files. Let's just have a quick look. Let's, yep, they all look pretty good. I'm just going to perhaps deselect this one, and let's deselect that one. I don't like those images so much. And then let's run now our image. Put the delay time on at 80, so it's not too quick. That's fine, and let's make a GIF. Okay, off we go. And here we go. There's our GIF, animated GIF. Job done. Let's save that onto our desktop. Absolutely super, and we can run that. Okay, looks really good. Like it a lot. Okay, so a quick summary of the GIF animation. Open the ControlNet in Hugging Face or use our Google CoLab link. Select the line art in ControlNet. Enter your logo. Put a nice prompt in there. Don't forget to use aerial or drone. Then run ControlNet, save all your images, and then use easygif.com to upload and then output the GIF animations. Right then, let's continue. Here we go. Let's have a look quickly at the next one. So just a quick recap. And now we're into Meeting Lizard. So we're going to take this logo on the right hand side here. So we'll save that logo. It's quite a nice little logo from one of our apps. And what we're going to do now is we're going to go into the notebook. So what you can see again, we've used ControlNet. We've put the drone view of a beautiful city on the left, and we've put our logo in there, and you can see what we've got as an output already. It looks really, really nice. And let's go through a few of these already. So we've got one on the countryside as well. So lizard on the countryside that we've used here. So this is a drone view of a mountainous area. We've got a drone view of London. Doesn't really look like London. Drone view of space. And we've got the next one, which is a drone view of an island in the sea, which is fantastic. I love that one. And then we've got a drone view on a beautiful picture. It's a little bit strange, but looks good all the same. The next one, the prompt we used, this one was the one that I just showed you. Again, let's go back to Notebook. Drone view of a beautiful city. So basically, look, you can see what we've done with Meeting Lizard here. It's pretty cool. Just remember to put your prompt in there every time. Let's have a quick look and put in drone view of a beautiful country setting now. Let's run that as well now and see what we get. Okay, you can see that these ones are very, very quick indeed. I think the Meeting Lizard ones were taking only 9 seconds, whereas the other ones were a little bit quicker. So here we go. Here's our new one, and look at that. Let's open that image in a new tab. Look at that one. Looks really good. You've got like nice buildings in the countryside. It looks like a real sort of interesting complex of buildings, doesn't it? Love that. Right, let's save that image as well. So now we've got a right bunch of images that we're going to use from our Meeting Lizard area. So we'll save that one as country and download that one. That looks really good. And let's go straight to easygif.com. Let's choose all the files, just deselect the Christmas one. I didn't like that one. And we will just then upload and make a GIF, and off we go. There we go. And we've got our selection again. We'll do the same. We'll take all of those images and we'll change the delay time to 80, and we will simply just make a GIF. Off we go. Fantastic. And here is our GIF. Look at that one. I love this one. This is really cool too. Great stuff. Right then, so obviously we've just given you the summary before, so we know that. And here's a quick preview again of our Meeting Lizard. And guys, I hope you have lots of fun. This is super easy to do. See you next time. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching the video. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to our channel for more AI related content and tips. And join me on the journey to unlock the potential of AI. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comments section below as usual. I'll see you next time.